If you want to check every device where your Gmail account is currently logged in, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This is really useful if you think your account is signed in on a phone, tablet, laptop, or browser that you no longer use, or if you just want to review your Google account security. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. You can also search for Google account security if that is easier, but going directly to the security page is the fastest way. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Gmail address. After you are signed in, scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. This section shows the devices that have recently accessed your Google account. Now click Manage All Devices. This will open a full list of every device currently linked to your account activity, including phones, computers, tablets, and sometimes other browsers or signed-in sessions. Take a moment to review the list carefully. You will be able to see device names, recent activity, and basic details that help you identify where your Gmail is logged in. If you notice a device you do not recognize or a device you no longer use, click on it to view more details. From there, you can check the activity information and confirm whether it is safe. If needed, you can also sign out of that device directly from this screen. That is a great way to protect your account if you have lost a device, shared a computer, or simply want to close old sessions. It is a good habit to check this page regularly because it gives you a quick overview of where your Google account is being used. And if you ever spot anything suspicious, you should change your password right away and review your security settings again. So to recap, go to the Google account security page, sign in, scroll to Your Devices, click Manage All Devices, and then review or sign out of any device as needed. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Gmail and Google account tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.